On the evening of July 8, 2014, a line of fast-moving severe thunderstorms impacted the North Country with damaging winds. This large convective complex contained numerous mini-bowing lines of storms which formed along a cold front. Here's a map of the local storm reports received by the National Weather Service, Burlington, Vermont Weather Forecast Office. Severe thunderstorm winds were estimated between 60 and 80 miles per hour across many locations in the North Country during this event, which resulted in over 30,000 people losing power. In addition, numerous reports of trees down and minor property damage were observed. A well-defined cold front extended from a convectively induced mesosurface low pressure across the St. Lawrence Valley, while a weak warm front feature was lifting across northern New York and Vermont, as seen on this surface map. In the warm sector, temperatures were in the 80s, and dew point values were near 70 degrees Fahrenheit, even into the evening hours on July 8th. The cold front boundary provided the necessary surface convergence and lift to produce multiple bowing line segments of severe thunderstorms across the North Country. Here is the evolution of multiple bow echoes within a large convective complex between 22 and 2 UTC. Note the numerous bowing line segments across the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic states which were responsible for the damaging winds. Now taking a closer look, we can see a well-defined bow echo moving into southern St. Lawrence County at 2258 UTC on July 8th. The reflectivity image on the left clearly shows multiple small vortices and associated bowing segments with outbound winds of 60 to 80 knots, seen as the dark green color on the velocity image on the right. The KCXX radar in Colchester, Vermont, showed an area of enhanced inbound velocities associated with a thunderstorm downburst that developed over Lake Champlain and moved into the greater Burlington area during the evening hours. The red color on the images indicate winds of 50 to 60 knots coming toward the radar, resulting in the scattered wind damage across the Burlington area. This image shows another bowing line segment approaching the Middlebury, Vermont area at 142 UTC. Note the apex of the bow is heading directly towards Middlebury and is typically the region of strongest winds. Finally, here are a few pictures of wind damage caused by the damaging severe thunderstorm winds across the North Country. Thank you for viewing this presentation on the July 8, 2014 widespread damaging thunderstorm wind event. For the latest weather information and a complete review of this event, visit us on the web at www.weather.gov/Burlington, like us on Facebook, or follow us on Twitter.